Hello, hello, hello. This video is for Benitez foundation repair. Okay. My name is Joseph Graham. I am a marketing consultant with UpShot Solutions, and we are the #1 marketing agency in Fort Worth, Texas. Whenever I asked for a pretty decent and reliable foundation repair company around, they're like, yo, you got to call Benitez. I'm like, okay. So I had Ruby reach out to you. We're trying to find the best email to send this video over to, right? So with that said, what I'm going to talk about is the importance of this map listing. This map listing, believe it or not, is the most valuable asset that you have on the internet, right? You're like, what? No way. Yes way. See way. All right, check it out. No offense. I know that could be a dirty word. So look, when I'm looking for a foundation repair, people hop on the internet and they're going to see these top three, they're going to see these ads. They're going to see these top three businesses, right? Well, these one, two, and three, these top three map listings, they get 70 to 80% of the traffic or phone calls, right? 70 to 80%. So with that said, what we did was we put your map listing into our heat map tool. And where this does, what this shows is everywhere you are and are not ranking in a specific area. See all these areas where you're ranking. So right here in the middle of Irving, I gotta zoom out. When someone searches for foundation repair, you will be #1. But if anyone goes down the street, let's just say, but where's Six Flags at? Six Flags, like, who cares? If someone's over here off of 180, 183, they're gonna see these top three businesses, and you're #8, yeah, which means there's seven businesses stacked on top of you, right? These top three are getting the first phone call, and you can even click on other companies, right? We can click on other companies or other circles and see where they're ranking, right? So like Steady House is ranking over here. Let's start going back down south. Colon, we got Oslan. Oslan's ranking down towards this area, but yeah. So how do you correct this? Why would you want to correct this? Well, the first thing you're going to have to do is optimize this this map listing. Like fill out all the information in there, right? There's a lot of information that's missing. Trust me, there is if you go inside of it. Another thing you can do is build like an authoritative website, like a really professional authoritative website, and you have like all kinds of pages for every service that you offer. Hmm. Okay. Another thing you can do is have people give you reviews, right? So, and you want them to state where they're from. That's the key. This is the key right here. This is a breadcrumb. This is a breadcrumb. These two are breadcrumbs. So if I was in my backyard and I took this picture with the location turned on, this is a geo-tagged photo. This photo is geo-tagged. Google, the Illuminati, the CIA, they know where this picture was taken. They know the GPS coordinates of this photo. They're like, if someone did like a little search, like this photo would literally appear like where I took the picture. So with that said, you're gonna start leaving breadcrumbs. Your clients are going to start leaving breadcrumbs for you. So that's how you start becoming more relevant in like Arlington, Texas, right? Or any other place. And what this is going to do is it's going to start generating more phone calls. So here's an example. We work with foundation companies all across the United States of America, right? So here's Philadelphia Foundation Repair. You know, here's a zoomed in little kind of version of it. And what this does when our GMB and our our website ranks on page one is we start getting a lot of phone calls, right? So 113 calls for this one location from December 6th to today, which is January 5th. 113 calls, and that's not even including the quote forms like the emails we get. This is just the phone calls, right? We get a bunch of emails. People hit up our emails, for waterproofing or whatever. So I'm gonna send you a copy of this. I would definitely take advantage and really utilize this thing because this thing right here makes a lot of money. It'll make a lot of money for you, right? And then having a really authoritative website. So if you need help building any of this up, setting any of this up, just feel free to reach out to me, okay? God bless. Adios.